Hi everybody, Jesse Schoolcraft Family Farmstead again. I'm here for another auction today at Ted Everett's in Monrovia. It's another cold one, just like the one in December was. And we even had some sleet and freezing rain this morning. Kind of got me a little behind getting here. I was slipping and sliding a little bit on 39 on my drive up here. But of course, right as I've gotten here, it has stopped. So I'm gonna go check out what they have and see if they have any good deals today. I'm also supposed to be looking for some golf carts for a guy that my dad works with, and see if they've got any good deals on those too. Hopefully they can get more things started than they had in December. They were having to drag all sorts of stuff through instead of driving it through because it was so cold they couldn't get a lot of things started. But we will see how it goes today.
15, is that 38? 1538, dog 1538. Out there, S Series X-Mar. Out there now, what do you get over? Out there, 39, 1,000, 12 and a half, 15, 17 now, 15, now, down to 2, down to 2, down to, I got 17 and a half, gonna be 2,000, down to 2, down to 17 now, down to 2, down to 2, give me 1,800, 18. Look how clean she is, 18, 17 and a half, 18, put the barn till spring. It's a nice S Series X-Mark, boys, 17 and a half, 1800, 17 and a half, now 1800, don't want to miss nobody, 17 and a half, now 18, you like 18, 17 and a half, 18 and a half, so it is, 17 and a half. Alpha 1401, Alpha 1401, don't forget to come grab your ticket, please. Greatly stand on, big one with the Kawasaki on it. 34 down there and 3 down there and 3 down there and 3 down. How much, boys? 1,000, 12 and a half, down there and 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 1,000, 12 and a half, down there, 1,000, down there and 12 and a half, down there, 500, 7 and a half, 600, 700, 800, out of the way, 800, 800, 900, down there, down there, down there, 1200, down 13, 14, 15, down here, now 1,600, now 1,600, 16, 17, up here in the bid, now 18, now 19, 19, you're out, 19, now 2,000, now 2, now 1, 2,100, 21, gotta go, 21, now 2, 22, now 2, so it's here, $2,100. C 6889. C is in Charlie, 6889. All right, another golf cart, boys. 16, 17, 18, one mother, you gotta go. 17, 18, 19, you're gonna be 19, now 2, 2,000, now 1, 2,100, with Chucky, 2,000, 2,100, you got over here, 2,100, 21, all that and a half, you get 21 car go. So it's it, $2,000. He is a dog, 1262. What's the need? Late model Skag Cheetah 2 Series. 600 something hours and got a 72 mark. One of the best they build. High dollar. Out there, 10 down there, and 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 2, 20 pound, 100, now 3,000, down to 25, now 3, 20 pound, now 33, now 30 pound, now 3, now 30 pound, now 4, 40 pound, now 40 pound, now 40 pound, now 5,000, now 50 pound, 50 pound, now you want back in over here, 55, now 6,000, 5,500, 6,000, 50 pound, now 6, 56, 5,700, 57, 56, now if you want back in, 5,700, 7, now 80, you didn't make it, I got the 7 back there, gonna be 800, 58, it's got a 72 on her, 58, now 9, 50, 959, now 6,000, $6,000, 6, now 61, 6,101, out about 10 grand too, you still couldn't buy a new one, 6,100, $6,100, 6,100, you sure? 6,100 and a half, you want your 61 before I go, 6,100 all that and a half, so it is $6,000, 3519, 3519, bring me off guard. Around there, 16, 17. Guys that are just dead, just need to charge up. 16, 17, 18, 19, now 2, 2,000 under, I got 19, give me 2, 2,000 under, and 2, might as well buy another one, 2,000 under, average amount, 2,000 under, and 2, 19, now 2, now 1, 21, 2,100 and a half, 21, sold it to you, Chucky, 2,000 under. Alpha 6183. So another one, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, now 2, 2,000 under, 2,919, good to be 2, 2,000 under, 19, now 2, 2,000 under, 2,000 under, 2, you want to get 2,000 under Fargo, 2,000 under, all in all, and a half, sold to 1,900. Diaz and Dog, 1877, ticket right over here. Wake up, drivers, bring me more. I think we got a couple of these 997R series, 2 or 3 of them. This is the one with the rear discharge. C997R just come in the other day. Only 900 hours on them. Around there, late model, around here now, what have you good for? 10,000 under, 10 down under, 10 down under, 10. How much, boys? 10 down under, 10 down under, 8 down under, 5,000, 6 down under, 5,000 under, now, 5 down under, 6 down under, 5 down under, 5 down under, 6 down under, 5 down under, 6 down under, yep, probably 20-something thousand, I guess, Chucky. Around there, how much, boys? 3, 35, 3 down under, 35 under, 35 under, 4 down, 45 under, 4 down, 5, 45 down, 5 down, 55 under, 55, 55, now 6, 6,000 under, now 55 under, now 6 down under, now 57 now 6, 6 down under, 6 down under, now 2 and a half, 60, 2 and a half, down to 62 and a half, now 5, now 7 down to 65, now 7 down to 65, we're on the wrong side of the money here, boys, 65, 67 and a half, now 7,000, now 2 and a half, down 2 and a half, now 5, 75 under, 5, 75 under, 2 and a half, down to 5, 7,500, now 77 and a half, 77.50, 75, now 77 and a half, now wait, 8,000 down to wait, 8,000, 8,000, don't try to buy one off a dealer for that cheap, they'll kick you out the front door. 77.50, 8,000. Was that 79? I got 77 and a half. 78, 79, 79, 7900, 99, 78 and 9. You sure? 7,900 Fargo and a half. Sold it to you. 7,800. Got all cheap there. Alpha 65.55. Alpha 65.55. Little John Deere Z series. Little John Deere $2,000, $1,000, $12,500, $11,500, it's only got 300 hours on her, boys. You know that? I can't see what she is. $1,100. Looks cheap from here. It's a 445. $1,000, $1,100, $1,000, $1,100, $1,200. You got 12, $1,200, $13, $13, $13, $13, $1,300 down here. You get $1,300 bid. I'm with Caleb, $1,200. Up top of the bleachers, it's got to be 1,300, 1,200, 1,300 down here, 1,300, now 1,400, low hour, 1,400, now 1,400, 13, 1,400, he won't back in, way up top, selling the zero turn, now 15, 16, 1,600, now 1,600, now 15, now 16, 16, I'm over here, 15, 1,600, now half, sold it to you, $1,500.
That's another cold one today. Just like it was a couple months ago. Actually, I think a couple months ago it was a little colder than this. But they had to carry most of these easy-go golf carts through. They're electric. And a lot of the batteries were dead on them, so I had to carry most of these through. They're 21 models. And they're still getting 1,800 to 2,200 a piece for them. You saw a few of them there on that clip from the barn. Still having a hard time getting some of these zero turns started and carrying a few of them through. Like here's this Hustler getting ready to go in right there. Big Hustler. We've still got quite a few here trying to get started or carried in. They've started doing some of the side-by-sides and the gators. Got quite a few nice gators. I've almost bought a couple things, but most of the stuff's going just to little higher than I feel comfortable paying to be able to resell. So haven't bought anything yet. Didn't have very many of these garden tractor type mowers either. Here lately, I bought a few of these. That X730 you saw on a video from last summer. It was a nice one. If I would have had a bigger trailer, I would have bought probably a dozen mowers at that auction last June, but I would have had to make all sorts of trips back and forth hauling them all with my little trailer. Keep meaning to get over to the bigger barn. I don't know what that is. I see a deer there. Great fight. Front side of it. Sounds good. Maybe a 40-20. Might be a 43. I think it's a 40-20. Old New Holland combine too. TR89. Don't see very many of those old New Hollands anymore. But anyway, I'll get over there eventually and get some video. But it quit the sleet, freezing rain crap right as I got here, about 9:30, of course. So I'm going to go back in the little barn here and see what some of those gators are going to bring. Probably just a little more than I want to pay, of course.
Kurt, what do you know about this one? They come with the package. The rest of those we sold. So buy it to be good. What's that mean, Chuck? Did he not do that?
Here comes a mule.
Oh, that don't mean nothing wrong with that. Alright. Buy it to be good, boys. 5,000. 225, 2,025, 25. How about 22 and a half? 2,000, 22 and a half. Now 525, 22 and a half, 22 and a half, 22 and a half, 22 and a half, 5 now, 7 and a half, 7 and a half now, 3,003. Asking right here, 27 and a half, 3,000, 27 and a half, 3,000, 20. Asking, Chubby, 27 and a half, 3,020. I got 27 and a half. Gotta be 3,000 $, 27 and a half $, 3,000 $27 and a half $, 3,000 $. Anybody want to get 28? 2,800 $, 27 and a half $, 2,800 all in, all done and a half. You are out. I'm up top. 27 and a half, 2,800, 2,800 all in, all done and a half. Sold at 27.50. Same way as the last one, Kevin. He's gonna win Rome. That's what you guys wait around for. Got a little mule 610. This is a really nice one too. What'd you do to it? Kill it? Sitting there dead, boys. Buy it to be good. If it's not, just call us. We'll take care of it. Mule 610, a nice one right there. 600 down, 335, 3,030. 138 hours. She's 4-wheel drive. 335, 3,135, 135. Down 4, 3,500, 4,135. Down 4, down 4,500, 45. Down 5, 5 down 5 down 5,500, 5,500. Give me 2.5, 52 to down, 5 down, 2 to down. It's one owner has come local. Kurt said it's got 100 and something hours on her, 4-wheel drive. Come from David Allen. So buy it to be good, but don't have hardly any hours on it. What I got? 5, 52 and a half, $5,000 to take it down, down to 5 now, take it down, down to 5 now, take it down. How about 1? 5,100, 5,100 under the bum, 5,000 under the 5,100. Get it out of here. 5,100 all in, all done and a half. Sold it to you. $5,000. $400, $4.25, 4.5, 4.5, 4.25, 4.5. Now 75, down $500, down quarter, 5.25, 5.5. Now 75, now $600, now quarter, now half, 6.5, 75, now 7, sold 6.5. No, 675, wasn't it? 675, you got it. 8072.
Hey, selling tires and wheels.
Tires and wheels right there. Now get on to buy a $100 bill for the old stack. 20, 30, now 20, now 30. Get 20, 30, now 20, now 30, now 20, now 30, 30, now 20, now 5. You want to get 20, now 5, 10, 15. Yeah, $15 now.
I'm just now getting over here to the big barn. They are almost done. This might be the earliest I've ever seen them finish an auction. I mean, they just got a few attachments left over there. They'll be done. And I knew the inventory was pretty sparse when I pulled in, but know it was this sparse. It's I think it's only about 2:30, 2:45. I've never seen them wrapping up this early. Curious to see what this case sells for though. Probably more than I want to pay. Here's a clean looking 8030 Alice Chalmers. Super clean, 5,200 hours. What is this? Somebody might have to help him what this attachment is. I'm not sure what this is for. Oh man, grind it into gear. Goodness. There's a auger. I honestly don't have any idea what this is for. Maybe somebody can comment on here and tell me what it is, because I don't know. Anyway, Alice Chalmers sure is clean. I don't think it is sold yet. Good tires, though. Gears don't look too bad. Look at the old Versatile. Big Cummins in it. Doesn't look too bad. $46.30 over there. I've seen better days. It looks kind of rough. Seems to be running all right though. Here's a 930 case back here. I've got a 430, but I need to get that thing running. 430. Gas or it's a gas? Maybe not. Surely it's a diesel. Yeah, it's a diesel. I see the injection pump now. Not bad looking.
Put out 9 pounds, hour, now 5, 95, you're out 95, I got 9 grand, you're out 95, put out 9 pounds, now 10, put out 10 pounds, hour, now 5, here's 5, put out 11, put out 11 pounds, hour, now 5, 11 pounds, I get 12, now 5, put out 12, 5, 13, now 5, put out 5, I get 14, here, now 5, put out 15 pounds, hour, 5, here's 16, put out 16 pounds, the other, I get 16 pounds, the other, I get 16 pounds, another, 16 pounds, another, put out 16 pounds, the other, 16, put out 16, get 5, 15, 5, 15, 5. 15 pounds, now 16, now 16,000 per boat, 16 pounds in, and a 16 pound over here, 15 pounds here, 16, and a 15 pounds here, turn around, 16 pounds, 16 pounds, 16. So, who did you have? 15 pounds. Need a tag number on this car, or this drive over dump. 5970. Does that help? Came out of Wisconsin, my dear, $75. But it's a deep pound beer, $2.25. I got to get $20, I get $2, I get $5. But I'm $2 grand, you get $20, I 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 get $2, I get $25, $750,000. 12 and a half. 12 and a half, 15, $1,500, 17 and a half, 17 to me, you're in, 15, I will do that to you, and then not till later, and then 17, I think it's 17 to me, and now 17, I think it's 17 to me, and now 7, now 2, now you get in, and now 22 to me, and now 5, you get 25, and now 5, you get 3, young man, 23, right, I'll get, and now 2, you get 22, you get 2, you get 3, and now 2, you get 23, and 22, you get 22, you want to get 30, now you want to get 23, you want to get 3, 2,300, 2 and a half, 3, and else right there, you get 30, now you want to 3. So back row, left side, 22.50. yourself, what do you want to do? Right there, 56, right there, 35,000. And now 15,000, 16,000. And now 17. A nice little tractor boy, 17, 18. And now 19, over there, 20. And now 20, 19, 20. Now 1. I can only get 21, 2. I can only 1, get 22. And now 3, 4. And now 20, you get 24. And now 20, get 4, 5. And now 20, you get 5. 25, get 5. Sell tractor right there, 25,000. 1 get 5,000. Get 5, $6,000. And now 26,000. And now 5,000. Get 26,000. Get 26,000. Get 20,000. Get 26,000. And now 26,000. And now 25. Here, 26,000. Get 5. Look at that, 25. Back 20,000. Get 5,000. And now 20,000. Get 5,000. Get 20,000. Get 5,000. We got here, 5. $6,000. And now 5. And now 46. Get 5,000. And now 26,000. Get 5,000. Get 5. Get 26,000. Get 5,000. And now 26,000. Get 5,000. Get 5. So straight away, $26,000. You bought a tractor. $1,000, 12 and a half, 1,500. I can hold a half, 15, 17 and a half. And now 2,000. And now 22 and a half. Here now 5. And now 7 and a half. Here get 25, 7 and a half. Get 30, get 3, get 2 and a half. Get 30, get 50, get 2 and a half. Get $3,000, 2 and a half. And now 3 grand, 2 and a half. Now 5. And now 35, get 5. Here 750. And now 35, now 7 and a half. Get 4. And now 4,000, get 7, get $4,000. 7 and a half, 4. And now 7 and a half, get 37, get 4,000, get 30. You want to say anything else? I got 37 and a half. Get 4,000, get 7, get 4, get 4, get 4,000, get 4, and I'm 2 and a half. I got 4 grand, 2 and a half. And I'm 4 grand here, 41. I got 41, get 4,000, get 41. You want to learn, get 41 in the morning, get 41 in the iron one. So, who did you have? $4,000. Let's sell a header trailer. 100, 150. No, let's sell, excuse me, let's sell the corn head first. What am I doing? $1,000, 1,112, and now 12, here, 13, and now 13, 1,400, $1,500, going to get 15, what can you have 1,500, on a 643, and now $1,500 here on the forward hand, right there, you can go to get $1,500, and now 14, 15, and now $1,500, you're going to get 15, you say 15, I got 14, get 15, 16, and now 16, 17, and now 17, 16, 17, what's the forward hand, action, one here, 17, I got 17, here, get 7, you want to get 7, you want to 17, you want to 17, 16, 17. So you want to go ahead to 1,600. B5, 8, 34.
Yeah, since I got over to the big barn so late, see some of the stuff I missed out on. There's a pretty decent looking little 2030. If I remember correctly, I believe my dad said that when he was a kid, Uncle Larry, well, I think it was owned by Bud Brown, who he farmed for, but anyway, Uncle Larry used it all the time. I think they had a 2030. I'll have to ask him. And they used that to plant quite a bit, if I remember correctly. Got a nice little loader on it. Wonder what it sold for. It looks pretty good though. Got the screen hanging down there on the side. There's a 2640, 2640, I think it was. Maybe a 2632. I can't remember. There were a couple of them. A couple little ones. All this stuff already sold. I was over there watching golf carts and mowers go through, and I missed it. Missed it all. It's a little wood splitter. Grandpa's is a heck of a lot better than that. Yeah, here's a little 2640. Seen better days. Yeah, here's that other one. I think this one's a 2630 if I remember correctly, but it looks better than that 2640 does. Oh no, it's a 2640 as well. This one's just a little nicer. Yeah. Quite a few skid steers. Some of them look pretty nice. Bobcats look like they're about new. Well, the little one does. Quite a few skid steers, as usual. This is the one I really wish I could have seen go through. I wonder what it brought. I was right earlier. It's 4020. I'm assuming it has a turbo. I'm assuming based on where the pipe is there. It sounded good. I think so. I think it's got a turbo. Can't tell. I can't tell from this vantage point. Usually though, when they've got the pipe up like that.
Did you buy it?
No.
What did it bring?
I don't know. That's what I was trying to figure out. Usually when they've got the pipe up like that, they've got a turbo. Got dual hydraulics too. I'm assuming it's not a power shift. Yeah, it's synchro. How many hours do they have? May not be right. Yeah, 3,400. I doubt that's right. Got a NTPA sticker on the side. Yeah, so it wouldn't surprise me if they've pulled with it. It sounded good though. Well, now I'm in line to get out of here. This is the earliest I've ever seen them get done with an auction. It's right around 3 o'clock and they are already totally done. That's how little their inventory was this time. Heck, I've seen them go till 8, 9, 10 o'clock at night. Here lately it's mainly been over wrapping up about 5, 6, 7 o'clock at night, but not today. And I got to meet up with a guy to sell an old ratty looking mower deck that I bought for 20 bucks online at Freegie's, and I'm gonna sell it for 100. But works for me. So he's meeting me here, and I'm gonna get rid of this mower deck real quick. But struck out today, didn't buy anything. A couple of things I probably should have bought, and or at least gone after a little more than I did. But oh well, maybe next time. So hopefully I'll find another good deal on something online like I did that Skag recently. Got it for a heck of a deal on auction time up in Frankfurt. And it should need nothing. It is in nice shape. And I'll put it up for sale in the spring. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. Another auction down, and hopefully I'll be back for the next one in April. But like and subscribe please if you would. I'd appreciate it. Last I checked, I'm only 14 subscribers away from 1,000, so I'm getting close. But we'll see you on the next one, and hope you have a good weekend, and hope you're staying warm if you're near where I am here. But you see, we've still got tons of snow on the ground. We got around 12 to 13 inches depending on where you were around here. So it's supposed to warm up next week though. We should melt quite a bit of it off. But we'll see you next time. Take care.